Here I will create a new ceiling plan for my lighting with a couple of different ceiling types. And I also want to reorganize my views a little bit because this project does not have the sub-discipline view property. If I click in here, look, one of my favorite properties, sub-discipline, it doesn't exist because I have to create it. That doesn't stop me from creating my reflected ceiling plan for my lighting. So I'm going to go in there. It doesn't matter where I start from. On my Create tab, which is usually up top here on the ribbon, on the panel, I'm going to say Create, Plan View, Reflected Ceiling Plan, okay, for my lighting. And then I can pick which type I want in here. And if I have a view template available, I have one here depicted from the last time, but this may be set to be none, or I can make a new one, but I'm going to use this architectural reflected ceiling plan. And then I'm going to notice that my sub-discipline is not in here, which I use a lot. So that's okay. I'm going to hit OK and OK, and it's going to create a reflected ceiling plan, picking my level 1. And there I go, and there's my new reflected ceiling plan. Now my ceiling will go in there a little easier. There's my rooms. So on my build tool, I can say ceiling, and then I can pick my automatic option up here, or I can sketch, but I'm going to go with automatic. And let's go with a 2x4 grid, and then I can hover in here and pick that main area. Okay, then I can go switch to be a 2x2 grid, maybe, and pick these two rooms. And then I might switch to just a generic solid ceiling over in these two rooms over here. Okay, I can hit escape and there's all my ceilings created.